Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In today's video, we are going to learn how to draw a square and a triangle in Scratch using both the normal commands and the repeat command. So let's begin. First, I'll go to Events and select the When Flag Clicked option. And I want my sprite to not show itself when it is drawing. So I will select the Hide option from Looks. Now I will go to Motion. In Motion, as I want my sprite to draw from here, I'll select this Go To. Wherever the sprite is, the X and Y position of the Go To here will change as the sprite's location will change. So I will keep the sprite here and select the Go To. Then wherever the sprite is, when I click the button flag 1, it will always go here, and I will keep the height before the go to. Then I will add the pen extension from here. Then I will give from control wait 1 second, then pen erase all, pen down, set pen color. I will give pen color to red, then set pen size. I will give pen size 7. Now I will go to motion, then I will select this point in direction 90, then move 10 steps. I will make the 10 100. Then I will select this option, turn 15 degrees. I want it to be 90 to draw the square. Then again wait 1 second. Now I will repeat this code. Move 100 steps, turn 90 and wait 1 second 3 times. You can see the square is half done because I repeat it 3 times. So I will repeat it one more time and it is full drawn. You can see it is full drawn. Now let's click the flag again. You can see it's done. You can also see when I'm clicking the flag, this one line is remaining. So I will give the erase all option before wait 1 second, then the rest of the code after 1 second. Now let's see. You can see the line which was shown previously is not here. After I give erase all before wait 1 second. Now I want to draw a triangle beside the square. So first I will show my sprite. I want the triangle to be drawn from here. So after wait 1 second here, I will go to motion and select the go to option. Then in the go to option, I will type in the values. I want my sprite from here now. So I will select the 17 and write it 42. I'm writing it in the go to option because I selected it before setting the position. So I have to write it, or I can delete it and select a new go to from here. Now I will again write move 100 steps. Before wait 1 second, I will add the option pin up. Then after wait 1 second and go to, I will give the option pin down again. Then move 100 steps. Then turn minus 120 degrees. Then again wait 1 second. I will repeat it 3 times. Let's see is it working or not. You can see it's working and both our square and triangles are drawn. Let's run it one more time. Yes, it's done. Now let's do it with the repeat command. From point in direction 90, I will remove all the quotes. Then I will clear all. Then here I will, from control, I will select the option repeat 10. The 10 one I will give 4. Then from motion, I will give move 100 steps. Then turn 90 degrees. Let's see is it working or not. You can see a square is drawn. It's drawing fast because I didn't give weight. So from control I will add wait 1 second right here. Now let's run it again. You can see it's drawing. Now I will again show my sprite to set the position where I want to draw the triangle. I want the triangle to be drawn from here. So after the repeat here, I'll go to motion, then select the go to option and put it here. Then again from control, I will select the repeat option and this 10 I will make it 3. Now I will copy the code from here, move 100 steps, turn 90 degrees and wait 1 second. This 90 degrees I will make it minus 120. Now let's see if our code is working or not. Before checking it, I will add the pen up option here and then the pen down option right here. Now let's check it. Our code is wrong because I didn't give point in direction 90. So I will give point in direction 90 right here. Now let's run it again. Now you can see our code is correct and it's working. Now let's run it one more time. You can see it's working. So if you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. We will meet in another video. Till then, take care.